Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide on how to restrict MSSQL Server to connect from the server in which the MSSQL Server is installed. Before we begin the tutorial, have a quick look at our contact details for your hosting requirements. You can visit our website at www.accuwebhosting.com. You can raise a chat from the chat option available on our website. You can also contact us on this number. You can send us an email at sales@accuwebhosting.com. Thanks you. Let's begin the tutorial. To restrict MSSQL Server to connect from the server in which the MSSQL Server is installed, you will have to add the IP address of your local system or your server in the firewall from which you want to access your MSSQL Server. Let's see how to add the IP address in the firewall. First of all, you will have to log into your Windows Server. Here we have used Windows Server 2012 R2 as an example. Click on the Windows button located on the status bar. After then click on the Control Panel option. Once you click on it, Control Panel window will be open. Select the option, System and Security, and click on it. After then click on the Windows Firewall option. Click on the Advanced setting located in the left side navigation panel. Once you click on it, Windows Firewall with Advanced Security window will be open. Click on the Inbound Rules option located in the left panel. Here, you can see list of rules which is added by system or server administrator. Find out the port enabled by you or your system administrator. As we want to restrict MSSQL Server to connect from the server in which the MSSQL Server is installed, we will have to select the MSSQL port enabled in the firewall. Please be informed that if you have added the port number of the MSSQL Server along with other applications such as Mail Server, FTP and MySQL, you will have to separate it first. If you don't do that, it will be applied to all the applications whose port number is added in the respective rule. Here we have selected MSSQL Server as an example. Right-click on the MSSQL Server rules and click on the Properties option. Once you click on it, MSSQL Server Properties window will be opened. Click on the Scope tab. Go to the Remote IP Address section and select the option These IP addresses. Click on the Add button. Once you click on the Add button, IP address window will be open. Enter the IP address of your local system or your server from where you want to allow to connect to your MSSQL Server in the option This IP address or subnet. Here, we have used this IP address as an example. After then click on the OK button to save it. Click on the Apply button to apply the change in the rule. After then click on the OK button to save it. That's it. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We seen how to restrict MSSQL Server to connect from the server in which the MSSQL Server is installed. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.